Hi, beautiful angels. This is Miss Dixie from Magic Winds Tarot, and this is your most requested chance pick a card reading. What is coming next for you, friends? Yes, as you all requested, this reading is here for you, friends, and this is a timeless reading. You can watch it anytime when you come across this, and it is a general reading, so it will help you and resonate with you. Anytime you watch it, make sure to subscribe Magic Wins Tarot, like and share. Friends, subscribe, like and share because you get a chance to win a free reading at the end of every month. One person is selected for the free reading, so subscribe, like, share, and let your friends join in also. And friends, this is for this week, but you can watch it anytime. It will still resonate with your situation. And nothing much, it is a peaceful week astrologically speaking, because we start with Mercury retrograde this time. So there is a Mercury in retrograde in Aquarius happening, so that means some sort of delays might happen in communications or technology, as you all are aware of. And there is also Venus moving in Aquarius, so love is about communications, love is about freedom this week. And you can expect some love messages, I guess, because Venus is moving in Aquarius. That means friendship is love and love is friendship. And what else is happening? So there is also a square of sun and conjunction. Sorry, there's a conjunction between sun and the Mercury, which is a good thing. And by the end of this week, there will be a new moon. We'll talk about it later in the next what's coming next week. So yeah. So let's take a deep breath and join us on Instagram as Magic Wins Tarot to buy a personal reading. Visit our website www.magicwenstarot.com, friends, and take a deep breath now. Let's start the reading. Take a deep breath, relax, and choose option number 1. This beautiful freedom card. It's a very beautiful card. Option number 2, the change card. Option number 3, the purple worry card. Relax, take a deep breath, choose option 1, option 2, option 3, friends. I will leave the timestamps in the comment section, so you can directly go to there, or you can watch the entire reading, because this will help you out even if you watch the entire reading. So let's see. I have my bag of charms here. I'm gonna keep it a little aside. Let's see for pile number 1 what's coming next for you who chose this beautiful freedom card. Let's read what's here. I possess the power and the free will to create my own happiness. So happiness is the theme for you, and freedom also. And currently the sun is in Aquarius, so definitely freedom is on everybody's mind. You know, what is freedom? Are you feeling free? Are you feeling happy? So freedom and happiness are important for you. Let's see. This is your advice. These are your oracle messages. And we'll be pulling charms shortly. Ooh, 5 of Cups. So you are a little disappointed in some way as you start the week, or currently, right now you are feeling a little bit disappointed. But look at this beautiful sunflower and the dragonfly. So you are looking for some sort of a change. Pile number 1. You want some changes. And you think there is a situation where a change is possible, and a positive or some sort of a change in your life can bring you happiness. But you're a little disappointed that something is not yet changing, or it is not changing as quickly as you want. Like your love life is not going as quickly as you want, or your work is not changing, or money is not coming as quickly as you want. So there is a little bit of disappointment as you start the week. Focus upon the fact that God loves you and always protects you and has the highest of intentions for you. A positive outlook makes it easier to recover from life's little difficulties so that you can move forward and upward. Definitely, I would suggest you to keep your focus positive this week, because you are a little disappointed, but all is not lost. Hope is still there. So, whatever you're waiting for or whatever change is not yet happening, it will happen soon. Dragonfly is a very powerful card. You may see some dragonflies also or some butterflies this week, or you may see them online on, in pictures or on your phone while scrolling. So, that energy is there. Princess of Winter, yeah. You are waiting for news, friends. You are waiting for clarity, communications. They are coming for you. And an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person is important for you. I feel you're very intelligent this week, friends. Your mind is very active. You want clarity, and you are looking things from a very higher perspective. Some you feel like this week, you will have to balance spirituality with practical life. Why? Because I feel like something will happen, like you are destined for success, but it is not yet happening. So there is this frustration, you have to reach here, but you are not able to reach there. So just a little bit of that extra uh, push is needed to reach there, but you will reach it. Spiritually something is destined for you. You can feel it in your bones, you can feel it in your heart that your destiny is great, your destiny, or you are destined for a reunion or a restart or for great money or success. But it's not happening right now, so you are a little bit frustrated. This is an intellectual challenge that calls upon your ability to rethink of solutions. If helpful information is put to you bluntly, accept the message without being bothered about the bluntness. So yeah, just you are pile number one. You are very blunt and frank this week, and Mercury retrograde in Aquarius is adding to this energy of freedom. You want freedom, you will speak freely. People are, if someone has disappointed you, you are going to outright tell them. You have no filters on your mouth or on your pictures this week, because you are very powerful. And oh my god, the Queen of Cups, look at that. You could be dealing with very powerful people also this week, like family or a lover or a soulmate, or a friend or a boss. Someone is also behaving very powerfully, arrogantly. So you will have to decide or balance how far you gonna go. Because leopards energy, so you have to be intelligent. Leopards are very intelligent, if you notice it. They are very sharp. They know how, they wait for their time and then they jump, and they are very quick. Even after catching the prey, they are gone in a second. You can't see them. So opportunity or messages will come quickly, and you will have to work on them very quickly. So get ready, friends. Pile number one this week is all quick, quick, quick. So be ready now. If you're waiting for some exams or call letters, they will come, and you will have to make quick decisions. Also, if you are waiting for communications, some boss or some family member or a lover is behaving a little bit arrogantly, or a little like, hey, I'm the prince, I'm the princess. You will have to deal with it. You will have to, either you will put them at place, or you can deal it with a bit tact, with diplomacy, right? So a lot is happening. Also, I feel like you are ready for some success to come your way, because you have graduated from the prince to the queen, or the king. So this week you will feel like, yes, you have arrived. So this is a powerful energy. You are connecting with your power, friends, this week. All your life experiences have prepared you for this moment of truth. It is time to declutter your home, clear away situations that are not working for you, and disengage from people who create more drama than happiness. See, so there will be dramatic people this week. I feel this is more like people you work with or people you study with, teachers, bosses, but you can cut away from them. You can focus on your happiness and peace. Oh my god, look at that. Ace of Cups. Wow, friends, new love is coming for you. So definitely messages are coming which will make you feel very excited, very happy. And I don't think this is just about love. This is also about money. This is also about news coming in that you are waiting for, and it's gonna make you feel like, finally. I also feel someone wants to apologize to you. It could be an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person, or a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. someone was not behaving well, but they want to come back and say sorry to you, because Mercury retrograde brings a lot of people back into your life. And definitely I see someone coming back, in fact someone crying over you. They are like, oh, take me back. Okay, this is the beginning of a new emotional experience for you, and it may be the first blush of a romantic love, the rebirth, or okay, some hair strands are here. Obviously, they are mine, of course. We don't have ghosts here. Even if we have ghosts, they are friendly ones. Just kidding, friends. Or the awakening of a spiritual gifts and insight. So yeah, this is a spiritual week for you, friends. Both love, work, all areas. You are a little spiritually focused. You are very mentally sharp. New messages, love affairs, new connections and friendships, and return of past friendships is there. Lovers are also coming back. Oh my God, yes, things are moving forward. This is a very quick week for you, so get ready. Wheel of Fortune, your luck is changing, friends, and it begins right now. Since you are watching this video or reading, your luck is about to change. The next few days or the next 10 days are very important for you, and expect a sudden positive change in your life, and you can move forward and make great progress. So I do feel some opportunity will come your way which you are ready for, and you have worked for it. So don't doubt your success, or don't doubt that you are ready for it or not. Maybe a new lover is coming or a new proposal is coming, and you are like, oh my God, should I or shouldn't I? No, you should, because you are ready, and this is a lucky relationship. And you're very lucky this week, friends. So I see money coming, some news coming, some gifts coming for you. And partnerships, two of cups. Partnerships, friends. This is about friendships for you. You have a lot of friends, new friendships. Friendships and relationships are on your mind. I feel friendships are on your mind. I don't know why I keep getting that. You want some new friends are coming, some old friends will talk to you, and also there is a lot of talking happening. People are talking about you because people see you as this leopard. People are noticing you this week, so all eyes are on you, friends. And look at this lovebird, you are falling in love with in love, or experiencing a deepening of your emotions, and marriage or a romantic partnership is coming for you. Don't give up. So don't give up, friends. If you are really really single and you feel you have become very independent, I feel okay. Pile number one, I also feel there are people who are telling you this week that you are very independent, you are very bold. You won't find anybody because you are so bold, because you are so strong, because you are so independent, and you had been, people have left you in the past, people have cheated on you, but now people are like, you're so independent, how can anybody find you or fall in love with you? I think that's the reason someone is going to fall in love with you, and they are attracted towards you, because leopards attract leopards. You are a leopard now, you are not this beautiful fragile flower. And woohoo, so if you are feeling left out, if you are feeling alone this week, don't, because your tribe will attract you, and you will attract your tribe, because you are extremely lucky. And it applies for work, it applies for love, both. I see everywhere it is happening for you. If you feel like you don't have people at work who understand you, you will attract them. This is your energy, the wheel of fortune. So take some time to make a wish, attract positive people in your life, because you are attracting a lot of attention and a lot of people. Also I feel this friendships are very important. People are coming, someone from your past is coming, or a new lover is coming, a romantic offer or marriage proposals are coming. You will have to choose between should you accept them or not, but I see you will be making a fresh start. Some of you will be traveling this week, some of you will be going back to your usual routines, like the old times, before 2020 happened and destroyed our everyday life, or rather realigned us to a new life, a new way, a better way of living. So you are going to really stretch yourself this week. I see you starting some yoga, some exercising, going out. Some of you will be taking traveling also this week or in the coming few days. And Some relationship is also going to reignite or restart, or new friendships will start. So get ready, friends. This is a powerful week and it will be gone before you even know. This is such a fast time for you. So let's see what else. The sun, oh my god. Friends, you are very in a very powerful energy. Look at that wheel. The dreamer 1, 2, and 3 major arcanas are here. So this is a very, very important week for you, friends. And you are very, very lucky this week. So stay positive. Don't lose hope. I feel you are in the limelight. If you are waiting for work success or money success or career success, yes, it is coming. You are working on the right path. Don't give up. A new start will happen and it will bring you some success. If your business was down, don't give up. Just keep working. Try to change something, it will bring you success. Your plans will work out very well, bringing you happiness and success. You will garner the recognition for your accomplishments you richly deserve. So, you are going to get compliments this week, friends. People are watching you. I also feel if you are married, your relationship will become better and you will come out of the past disappointments in love and in money area. So, both everywhere you will have some peace, some relief. But this is a very fast week. So, before you know it, it will be gone. So, make most of it, friends. Make most of it. Let's see. And some egoistic people are there. You will have to ignore them. They will bring drama because you are doing so well in life, or you are very intelligent. Someone might tell you, hey, you are too independent. Someone might tell you, hey, you are too bold. Ignore them because you are absolutely what you are and you are amazing at that. Someone might tell you you are too independent, but leopards are leopards. They attract leopard. If you are a tiger, you will attract a tiger. Nothing to worry about. If you are a lioness, you will attract a lion. You don't have to be a lamb, right? To be fair, number 38, yeah, you will have to keep this week balanced, because between your mind and your freedom and happiness, because this is a very, very quick week, and I feel like somewhere there is a need where you want change but you also want to stay where you are, like you want to be at your home, but some change is also necessary. You want to change, you want to go back to your offices, colleges. So you will have to work at balancing this, what you want. And also you will have to balance your words, friends. You will have to balance your communications. Just be a little sweet, because people can get angry if you are a little too honest. Nothing wrong with honesty, just people are sensitive these days. TikTok, yeah, there is no time this week, friends. You feel out of breath, out of time, because this is a super, super, super quick week. And also, you feel like something won't happen for you. This you are feeling like you have lost hope in that situation. You have run out of time. You can't get married now. It is too late, or your success won't come. Your business won't get better, or your past person won't come back. No, things are happening in divine timing. So everything is perfectly aligned. You are ready. The time is now. Make the most of it. Ooh, number 14, caring connections. Love is coming your way, friends. Love is coming your way. Sweet friendships are coming for you. Sweet messages of hope, of love, and success are coming. So keep at it. But stay balanced. Otherwise, you can get very anxiety. This is a very powerful energy, pile number one. I have to be honest. This all sounds very sweet, but if you overdo this thinking, you can get very off balance this week. If you stay if you control your thoughts, if you control your emotions, you will be in a very positive energy this week and you can make most of it. Let's see your advice then, your charms. Divine magic, extra magical energy surrounds your situation right now. Expect miracles. Yes, friends, miracles are coming. This is beautiful, friends. You are very close to achieving your goals. Look at that. You are very close to achieving your goals. So don't lose hope, keep working, and don't give up. Let's see your charms. Option number one. What will happen for them this week? Oh my god. Okay, almost dropped it. Let's see. So let's see your initials, and then we're gonna see these. Wow, so snowflakes is always stuck in this A. Let's see what is it. And let's just separate them a little. All right, let's see. Wow, yes, yeah. So your letters are Y, E, A, and E, O. So there is the word OA. So maybe someone is calling you out, some friend reaching you out this week. They want to talk to you, or you want to talk to a friend. I also feel your crush or someone new might want to start talking or send you a message or compliment because they like you. And what else? Someone named Aisha might be important. I keep getting the name Aisha, Ayla, or someone with an A name is important for you this week. Yeah, so your alphabets initials are E, O, A, Y, A. So they are important. Number 3 is important. It could be the next 3 days are important, the next 3 hours, or the third month, the March month is important for some of you. The numbers are number 55. So 555 is about change. Oh my God, number 44 and 55 are important. Wonderful, friends. This is like, this is 444 is about love and stability, and 5 is about change, and that's exactly what I was telling you. If you are to this week is about whether you want change or you want to be stable, because if you want change you will have to leave the stability. That's how it is, friends. And Apple, yeah, some of you are going towards better health, better hygiene, better, what you say, change in your health, change, not health, I mean like change in your fitness. You are going for fitness routines, going back to eating fruits, yoga, exercising, stretching, all those things. It's a good thing. Take it, do it. Also eat more fruits this week. It would be good for your health. It would be good to keep you balanced. Cycling, yeah, you may feel like this some things are moving a little slow this week, but I think things will pick up pace, so don't worry. Umbrella, you are very protected, you are very safe, and umbrella is also a romantic date coming towards you, so get ready. uh, there is also this, what is this, let's see. There is this turtle here. So turtle is about keep moving, friends. Keep moving patiently and steadily. The tree of life, yeah, you have strong roots, friends. People from your past are coming back. Friendships, lovers, past work colleagues, or past. You might have to. Some of you are joining new jobs also this week, or moving into a new house or a new home. So that is also there. So this is about laying your roots somewhere. The owl, you are very intelligent, friends. You will have to use your intelligence, especially if you are a student. Use your intelligence. Also, uh, you can do it. If you feel something is tough, you can do it. You have the power. You have the knowledge. Believe in yourself. Sorry, friends. Really sorry for that. Look at that. The robin. Wow. Um, wow. This is someone is coming very quickly towards you, an opportunity, or it could also be a lover, or a message is coming very quickly. Purse, yes, friends. Money is coming your way. If you're waiting for money, yes, you're very lucky. Your luck is changing and money is coming. And the fish, yes, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is important. Also, I feel past, people from your past are coming. People who love you, who care for you, or someone new with emotions are coming towards you. Rose, you are very beautiful. People love you and they also envy you. So, yeah, make sure about that you protect yourself. The house, money, yes, money is coming. And look at that, you have this little rainbow. So, yes, your rainbow is about to shine. All that worry is for nothing. Just a little bit of patience. The shoe, I think some of you might have to buy a new shoe this week. Also, shoes are like, this is a very fast week, friends. So, make sure to, keep your shoes and everything intact and check them, because this is very fast. You might have to run a lot. Tea, I think tea will help you this week, especially green tea or something. It might help you to stay positive and relaxed. Three of Cups, celebrations are coming, parties. Maybe it's your birthday this week, or it's coming very soon, or someone's birthday is coming. Celebrating with friends, celebrating with colleagues. Maybe there is a freshers' party or something somewhere. Ten of Coins, yes, stability is coming, money is coming. Some of you will also going to meet your family, so that is also there. One of Air, a breakthrough is coming, friends. Something will happen this week which you are waiting for, so get ready. Asia is important. Yeah, you might be traveling to Asia, or you are connecting with someone settled in Asia. Three of Years. Yeah, someone has hurt you, friends. Someone has hurt you. You are disappointed about it, some past hurts or pain, but I feel there is a chance of a resolution or healing that's going to happen. Caring connection. Queen of Cups, a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is important for you. So remember, you have the extra magical energy with you. This is a great week, and that's it for now. Make sure to subscribe Magic Vents Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram. Bye for now. So friends, for those who choose option number 2, let us see what's coming next for you. Those who chose this beautiful change card, let us see what's written here. I understand that nothing can grow or evolve without movement. So yeah, you are expecting changes, or you are waiting for some positive changes to happen this week. And also look at this card, it's so beautiful. The blues, the oranges. I feel this is a very creative week for you. So let's see how this week is. We'll also be doing the charms. This is your advice. These are your extra oracle messages. Let's see. Wow, 8 of Autumn. You are very busy, friends. You are very busy this week. I see you are reading books. You are reading, gaining some extra knowledge. You are very busy with your work also. And even if you are at home, you are very busy handling a lot of issues, a lot of responsibilities. It is the perfect time to learn. It is the perfect time to learn all you can by returning to school, taking a seminar, or conducting a research. The hard Do your best work, and the law of attraction will bring you prosperity and career advancement. Wow. So some of you are also manifesting something. This is brilliant. Maybe you are manifesting some career success, or you are manifesting some love. So which is amazing, friends. You are on the right path. Keep doing it. But I feel this is a very busy week for you. You are learning, you are working, if you are working, you are very busy there. If you are a student, you have a lot of studies to do because your exams are coming. So study well, prepare well, all the best. And if you are in love, I feel you are looking, or if you are in love or a relationship, I see you stalking your person's or lover's social media. You are stalking them, friends. I see you stalking and reading everything, or reading the past messages they have sent you. Seven of Autumn, patience. Yes, friends, this week, you should be a little patient, because things are moving in the right way for you, and you're very close to achieving your goals. You're very close. So just be a little patient with yourself. The resources and efforts you have invested will bring you great rewards. In the meantime, have patience and meditate. Yeah, see, I also feel, friends, like some of you this week, you are not taking care of yourself. I don't know. Are you neglecting your health? Because that's the thing I'm getting. I keep getting like you are not taking care of your health, whether it is your mental health or emotional or physical health. You should take care of it this week, because while you are so busy, you are forgetting that health is also important. Also, you're waiting for some news to come in, you're waiting for something to happen. Let's see what it is. Wow, some of you are waiting for a new job. It is going to come. Some of you are waiting for some money to come in. Yes, it is coming very soon. I feel in the next one day, some money is coming your way, or in the next 1 month, you will be getting a job. So yes, a lot of money related news or start is coming. I also feel, friends, like this week you are planning to start something new and you are working for it. Like you are starting your own, your businesses, or you are, starting something. You are learning something which you will start later. Like some sort of a creative work, something like music or anything. This is you're very busy on work, on career, on learning, and something about a new start is there this week. I feel it is about a new start in your work and career, but it could be in love, but it's mostly about work, friends. Two of spring. Yeah, you're very, very ambitious this week, friends. You're very ambitious. If you are in love, your ambitions, your passions are very high. And if your person is not very passionate this week, you will get upset because your passions are very, very high. And you may want, if you are married, you want a baby with them, you want to expand your family with them. You have been waiting for this thing to happen since a long time. So in love, your passions are very high. You want some excitement, some passion, some lovey-dovey, hot stuff. Your passions are too much. And in work, you will have to be a little, you will have to balance a little, friends, because you are working too much and you are also expecting too much. So some things can affect you, like your expectations can get in the way for you this week. So you will have to balance your expectations with the pace things are going. There is a weight involved. Even though you are doing your best, some weight is involved. So you can't change that this week. And it is good because Mercury is retrograde, and if you try to change too much or push things too much, delays can happen. So why delay when things are already going in your favor? Nine of autumn, yes, you are feeling very independent, and you are feeling very strong and capable this week. And also I feel like all this knowledge, all this learning that you are doing, it will help you to feel confident, it will help you to feel strong, it will help you to feel bold. And in love, I feel you are dealing with someone who is very independent, very bold, and very passionate. So, both of you are in a very bold energy, you and your lover. So, there is this who is working for the connection. If both of you are very bold and too much focused on your work, so there is this energy of some power struggles may happen, friends. I'll have to be honest, because you and your partner are in a very strong energy. Power struggles or powerful display of love and passion can happen this week. But I see most of you are studying, most of you are working on your jobs, careers, and you're enjoying it, seriously enjoying it. And if you are married, yes, passions are high, expect a baby or childbirth or talks about that. Eight of summer, yeah, you're disappointed with something, friends. Something from the past may come again to you, or you may miss that person, or you will think about why they left you. Something from the past will hurt you or still hurting you right now also. I feel that person is a little arrogant and they are focused on work. That is why this disappointment happened. Also, some of you may walk out of a relationship this week because you are very powerful. And if your person is not behaving well, you are like, I'm going away. If they are not behaving maturely, you are like, I'm gone. Bye bye. So you have to be a little, friends. Again, I would say patience is a virtue. Patience is the key for you this week, whether it is in love or your career or your relationships. Also, you may not leave somebody, but some past disappointments may affect you, like why this person, they are behaving like this again, why are they doing this? So something is there. Four of winter, you will have to postpone any decisions, major decisions, postpone for other weeks, friends. This is not the time to take any major decisions, but it is a time to start major new things, but not a time to leave any major things. So start something new, but don't leave anything behind also right now. This is also a week where you should get some rest, extra sleep. I see pile number 2, you are not sleeping at all. And I'm your very best friend, so I need to remind you that catch up on your sleep, friends. Catch up on your sleep and enjoy life, and don't just work and study all the time or worry all the time. I also feel like some sort of a cuddle date is necessary for you. I think like you want to cuddle and just cry with somebody because you need that affection, you need that affection, the love, where you just curl up with somebody and you cry and they tell you it's gonna be okay. Like you do it with your mother, they tell you it's going to be fine, don't cry, baby. So that's the energy. Someone might cry or you might cry. So, protect yourself, friends. Just mother yourself some extra loving care. You need that. Prince of Summer. So a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is important. I I feel like you are a little disappointed in love, friends. You are like you have kissed a lot of wrong frogs. So where is the right frog? You feel like, wow, another wrong frog. Oh God, you can't handle it. Or another wrong frog. What is the female of a frog? Frogness. I don't know. What's a female of a frog? How do you like prince and princess? Frog and froggy, huh? Froggy? Maybe? All right. So, someone is coming towards you, friends. Someone very dashing, someone very nice, someone very smart and very good looking. And they may be like the Prince Charming. You see the shoe here, the Prince Charming, the Cinderella. It may remind you like a prince or the Princess Charming. They look perfect, they behave perfect, but they may cause you some hurt or pain, or you may feel like not again. They behave like the same old people. Why? Because, friends, you have to be a little patient. You have to be a little patient this week. Also, someone from your past will also be coming, trying to message you or talk with you, or you are already talking with them, but some disappointments in love will happen. So you have to be sure about it. Don't let it affect you. Try to sleep on the decisions, try to sleep it away. And also at works, money is coming, lot of money, new start is coming. You are working on starting something new, a new course, a new job, a new workshop, seminar, something, learning something new. Excellent. A change in the wind. Wow, a change is coming for you. Number 12 is important. I do see, the changes you are waiting for, they will happen, but it's just that you need to be ready and you need to plan some things. Flexible, yeah, stay flexible in your plans, friends, because things can change. You are expecting someone else, but someone new may come. You are expecting them to behave nicely, but they may disappoint you. But someone else may be the right one for you. So keep your options flexible. Angel of strength, yeah, you are very strong. Health issues will resolve this week. I also feel that you are ignoring your health, friends. Don't do that, please. Again and again I'm getting the same message. You are ignoring your health. Don't do that. Take some rest, sleep, and plan and prepare well. Let's see your advice, then your charms. Protection. You and your loved ones and your possessions are safe and protected by heaven. So, friends, you are very protected. You have nothing to worry about. And I feel some of you have a very strong connection with the goddess or the mother energy this week. Some of you are missing your mother, or you want to become a mother or a father. You are very protected, friends. If you have nobody in your life, you can rely on the universe, or the god, the goddess energy. You can rely on it. You are safe. Don't worry, you are safe. Let's see your charms. And that's exactly how what I was telling you. Be easy on yourself, friends. Be easy on yourself. Because I see you might be a little tough this week on yourself. Child number 2, what will happen for them? Okay, anything else? Alright. Oh wow, the ship and the plane both have come for you. Let's see. So not much initials are coming this week, so it must be, that's how it is. O and E are there. So that's the initials for you, O and E. The heart, yeah. You're very protective of your heart, friends. You want to protect your heart. You don't want to get hurt. And also, the heart chart is here. So I would suggest you to take care of your health. Get some checkups and done, or some, maybe in the family someone needs a checkup, or they are, if you're worried about somebody's health, they'll be fine. Number 22, number 222 is important for you. It is also the 2nd of month, February, so that might be important for you. Messages are coming, the messages you are waiting for. Someone has unexpressed feelings, secret emotions, they are going to share it with you. You also have the aeroplane, so someone in the long distance, or someone you want to fly to some other city or country, that might be causing you some wait because of the restrictions. But I see that positive news will come, so don't give up. Ship, yeah, you could be dealing with someone who lives near a shore, near in a country where there is a sea or something, or some lake or some river. I also feel this is about you dealing with somebody from the army, navy, or some other such forces. The change, yeah, positive changes, wheel of fortune, change is coming for you. Creativity, focus on your creativity, friends. You are very creative. The red bead is about power. You are very strong, you are very powerful, and very, very passionate. Your passions are very high. The green is about healing, so healing is happening in your finances and your body. So well-being and money both are being improved. If you have health issues, you will feel better. Ganesha, Lord Ganesha is here. So definitely, friends, this is a very prosperous week for you, a very lucky week for you. So you are very protected. Look at that. See, you asked whether you are safe or not. Yes, you are. Whom should you rely on? There are gods, there are goddesses. You can call upon them and you can rely on them if you are feeling alone. Attachment, someone is very attached to you, you are very attached to them. A lover, a past lover. The crown, wow, friends. I feel, you are waiting for some sort of a success to happen, or promotions to happen, or a new job to come your way, which is more perfect and aligned with you. Yes, it will happen. It will happen, friends. Some of you may also become models, or you're going in that area where fame is coming towards you. So that is there. Butterfly, look at that. What a beautiful, cute butterfly. Changes are coming, friends. Changes are coming. And look at this change. You chose this card, change. And you chose this butterfly also. The tree of life, a twin flame is important, friends. A twin flame or family is very important to you this week. And look at that, the lion. Wow, friends, you are very powerful this week. So you should use it with sense, your power and your passion. Also, you could be dealing with people, like someone very bold, someone very passionate is coming towards you, a past lover or a twin flame, your divine masculine, feminine, that person is coming towards you. X, a past lover is on your mind. 8 of Cups, here is 8 of Cups. You are thinking about why they left you, why this thing ended. They are thinking about you. Cat, yeah, friends, cat is self-care. Protect yourself, care for yourself. Don't lose, don't ignore your health. Father, yeah, a father might be important, or you may be missing your mother or father this week. Black, yeah, you are very protected, friends. Protection is also a very important theme this week. 8 of Wands, messages are coming, news is coming. The cow, yeah, again the mother energy is here. So look at that, the father and the mother. Cows are a symbol of the mother, so both is here. Six of Cups, a soulmate is coming. A soulmate is important for you this week. Ace of Cups, a new start or a reunion is going to happen with someone. A message is coming. Twins, some of you, if you are expecting, you will be getting twin babies or a twin flame is important. Knight of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person is important. USA, wow, someone from USA is important, or you want to travel there, or you want to come back from there. So woohoo, what a busy week, and happy week for you, friends. Make sure to subscribe Magic Vents Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram. This is Mystic C saying bye. So friends, for those who chose option number 3, this beautiful purple card, let us see what's coming next for you. Charms reading, this is. Let's read this card. I am learning that worry doesn't change an outcome. Wow, this is a powerful card for you, friends. Look at that. It's beautifully purple. Wow, let's see. This is, I feel, a very busy week for you. And I see you are very mentally active, because worry doesn't mean worry, but you are mentally very active. Let's see. This is your advice. These are your oracle messages. I'll be pulling the charms shortly. Two of Winter. Wow, you start the week feeling with some decisions. Some decisions are causing you worry. You don't know what to do in a situation. You feel undecided. You feel a little stuck. So that's causing you a lot of worry. Maybe you want to move forward, but you can't. You want some change, but it's not happening. Procrastination and worrying what others will think is blocking you from making a decision. If you are torn between your own desires and someone else's, follow your inner guidance. Yeah, there's some decisions, some sort of, you're feeling a little stuck, friends. You're definitely feeling stuck as you are watching this reading, or as you know, in this week you're gonna feel stuck. You are feeling like you don't know what to do about a situation. Should you stay? Should you go? Will they come back? Should you wait? What will happen? Or about, maybe it's about work. Should you go on? Should you leave? Should you stay? So there is this indecision. There is this energy of let's see, let's wait and see what will happen. You don't know what will happen. Stuck energy, some confusion. Nine of Winter. Oh my God, friends. Some of you are feeling very lonely. Some of you are feeling very alone. Some of you feel like things won't change. You feel desperate for change. You feel desperate for help. You know, this is a sense like you need help. You need desperately you're looking for some stability, some sort of a lifeline. You are looking for lifelines this week, friends, and it is important. You are desperately seeking solutions, help. Whether it is about work, money, or love, you need something, some quick things, a miracle. Some of you may not be sleeping well. Some of you might be having some nightmares also. Sorry to say, but that's the energy here. Your emotions are very high, and your mind is also very active this week. So I would suggest you to meditate a little, or walk in the grass, bare feet, go out, do something which grounds you or calms you. If nothing else, you can watch Magic Vents Tarot, our channel, friends. I think it will help you to feel relaxed and connected. So yeah, let's see. Balance. See, balance is very necessary, friends. Don't lose balance. Don't lose hope. I see you're losing on to hope. Don't do that, friends. You know, nothing remains forever. Neither the bad days remain forever. So if you are losing hope, feeling like things won't ever change for you, this help won't ever come, it is there, it is coming, and it will happen very soon. So don't lose hope, don't be desperate, don't feel like helpless. There is help there. There is help, there is love, and there is balance coming into your life. But it starts by you choosing balance this week. You saying yes to life, you saying yes, I will stay balanced, I will not think too much, I will not worry about things I can't change. That's exactly what this card is saying. Maybe you are worried about what will happen tomorrow, it will rain tomorrow, I don't have an umbrella. But you know what? It doesn't rain tomorrow, and someone gifts you umbrella even if it does. So you know the worry was not necessary. Stay in balance. Balance your mind this week, balance your emotions this week, because life is going to balance itself for you. By merging varying points of view, you can generate an extraordinary new idea, compromise with others, and this will give you better solutions. So, yeah, some of you maybe are, you are in self isolation. I feel like you are isolating yourself when there is help or support available to you, friends. So, people, maybe you are stuck in a situation like your family is saying one thing, you want another thing, so compromise a little. You may not like it today, but just a little bit of compromise never. Maybe you should, if someone is reaching out to you, say hello to them. If someone is trying to talk to you, say hello to them. Maybe you should try and send a message. I feel like there is a lot of things you need to talk to somebody, you haven't told them to somebody. Maybe write down a letter to yourself or to someone. Maybe if you want to send, but if not, keep it to yourself, but channel it, write it down. 10 of summer. Family is very important. You have a very loving and caring family. Maybe you are worried about you will be single forever. Maybe you are worried about you don't have strong friends or your family doesn't understand you. Friends, there is love near you. You can rely on it. Just a little change in your thinking will help you to see that there is love, there is support, there is a loving connection coming your way. If you are single or really, really single and desperately looking for friendship or support, it is on its way. Don't worry. If you are giving hope on having support from family, your family will surprise you by supporting you. I can assure you that my own family has gone in ways to surprise me at times, when we least expect it. So trust me, surprises happen and families are made for it. They are, just perfect fit for surprises, because when we expect them to, like not surprises, but they will happily surprise us in good ways. So you have a lot of support from family and you can count on them this week. 10 of autumn. Yeah, if you're worried about money, friends, I think some of you are desperately worried about what your finances will be, how you will manage in the future. Stability will come, friends. Support of money, it will come to you, maybe from friends or family, or you will build something in the future that will give you a lot of financial support for the future generations of yours to come. So don't worry. Also, this week you will have to balance your work and your home life, because a lot is happening, and also you have your own personal issues happening, so you will have to balance that. And 10-10 is like ultimate happiness coming your way. Sometimes, we want ultimate things, like we don't want small happiness, we want big happiness. But I think big happiness starts by saying yes to small happiness. So, say yes to, say a smile, give a smile to a stranger, say yes to something small, and big things will automatically happen for you. So, don't give up. King of summer, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is important. Your emotions are very high, friends, very, very high this week. You're feeling very emotional and very protective of yourself, your family, your choices, your decisions. Even at work, you are very protective about your work. So takes. Oh God, how should I tell you to relax? A trustworthy person or relationship will enter your life. You may receive wise and compassionate advice from someone who speaks directly from their heart. Look at that. So, people around you are helpful, people are coming, friends, in work, in your love life, and in your studies also. So, be patient, be patient. You are not alone. Accept the help that's coming and talk to people also what's bothering you. I see like you are bottling your emotions, which won't help. Accept the help and talk also. The lovers, yeah, some choices are there, some decisions are there. You may be struggling with a person who is married. You could be dealing with a third party this week, or you are stuck with a relationship where that person, your family is not saying yes to them, or their family is not saying yes. So choices are there. Also in work, I feel you are stuck, like should you accept it or should you not, should you leave this job, should you start something new. True and long lasting love finds its way into your life. Follow your heart with caring actions and choices. I would suggest you to relax and follow your heart, whether it is in love or work. Don't worry. Sometimes things appear in black and white to us. Things look bad, but they are not. And this is exactly how you are feeling a bit challenged, you are feeling a bit nervous, but all is well. All is well, friends. Stay balanced. And love is coming your way. Choices. If you are feeling stuck, like there is no option, no choices, you will find some choices. You will create some choices. So don't worry. The king of spring, yeah, friends. If you take action, you will feel better this week. Trust me. If you take action on your thoughts, like in a positive action and positive and balanced action, you will feel happy. Like you will feel less nervous, less alone. Like if you are feeling alone, talk to somebody, say hi. Even if you are an introvert, say hi. The rest of the talking can be done by an extrovert like me. Okay, I was just trying to cheer you up. So, King of Spring, an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person is important to you. I feel you are dealing with choices in love. Also, you are confused about two people, which one to choose. Also, you are confused whether a twin flame will come back or not, or are they your twin flame or not. So, choices, questions, questions, questions on your mind. But if you act, you will feel better. If you act, you will feel better. If you keep thinking, you will feel horrible, I tell you. So now is your moment to step into a leadership role. Don't back away from the spotlight. Your plans will be successful as long as you stay focused on the big picture. So, yes, you will be successful, friends. Don't just be balanced this week. It's a powerful week, friends. It's a powerful week. Breathe, yeah, relax, take a breathe. Take a breathe, relax, grab take some water. And I think you are missing someone also. You are feeling someone's emotion, your twin flame or people's emotion. Maybe what's happening in the world is causing you some anxiety or stress. Don't worry, let it go. Just meditate. Even if you don't meditate, just take a deep breath and relax. Let it all go. Number 29. Mending, yes, healing is happening, friends. Healing is happening in your finances and your family and relationships. So don't worry. Your health is also improving. If you are having anxiety, depression, hormonal imbalances, it will help. It will help. It is healing. Relax. Thinking man, oh my god, again more thinking is coming. Oh my god, this is your week to think. I would suggest you to grab a pen and a paper and write those thoughts because it will help you to make them fly off you. And thinking man, yeah, someone is obsessed about you, friends. I see there is a man or a person or a woman who is thinking about you. They have a lot to say. They love you. They could be a family member or someone who is like a family or who is a brother or a sister or a lover or a twin flame to you. They want to be with you, but they are dealing with some darkness here. They are going through some challenges, but they are thinking about you. This person could be a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. They are thinking about you, friends. Let's see your advice. Stay optimistic. Wonderful advice. Perfect for you. Stay optimistic. Your dreams are coming true. Don't quit right before the miracle occurs. So you are very close to achieving success. Don't quit, friends. And stay optimistic and stay balanced. Let's see your chance. Option number 3. What's gonna happen for option number 3? All right. Okay. Option number 3. Okay, so lots of charms came out for you as I was expecting they will because a lot is happening here for you. Let me just quickly arrange them so we can focus, read them more quickly. Wow. So there is this LAT. So it reminds me of late. Like you feel you are late, or you feel like someone is late in coming back to you or replying back to you, or you feel like you are late in achieving, you are late in starting your school, or you are late in getting your first job. This is getting married, you are really late now, it won't happen. I think you are in perfect divine timing, so don't worry, friends. And there is a blank tile here, there is Om. Yeah, see, Om, spirituality will help you, friends. Meditation, or just sleeping, taking some, listening to some peaceful music. Okay, so VAT. Some of you might be worried about or missing a pet you owned, a pet, or maybe a cat or a dog or some animal you have, because I see the VAT here. So those are your initials, OMLATV. Number 6. 6 is the number of love. 6 is also about June. So someone born in June is important, or a lover. Number 6 is important. Aeroplane, yeah, aeroplane is like, friends, long distance is important. Maybe you want to travel, or you're worried about that. All will happen you're safe, don't worry. The pink hat, you can someone really likes you, friends. Someone is very fond of you, but they are not telling you. Maybe you like somebody, but you are not telling them. Like you have a crush on someone, but you are not telling them. There are two hats in this charms. OMG, friends, two hats. Has this ever happened? Nope. Two hats are here. So I feel there is a couple here, friends, which is important. A relationship is important. Someone loves you and they really like you, but they are not telling you. You also love somebody like them, but you are not telling them. Also, you may have some choices in love, as I told you earlier. The horse, friends, you are thinking too much. So this reminds me of this worry, the worry dolls because of this dark color. Friends, don't worry so much this week. Don't think so much this week. Act, don't think. You also have this shoe. I would suggest you to go for a walk. It will help you. Also buy yourself something nice. It will also help you. Maybe gift yourself something. And look at that, the love pendant is here. It has the piano, so maybe a singer, musician, artistic people are important. Maybe you are an artist worried about your future. Things will be better, don't worry. And the butterfly, positive changes are coming, friends. It has something written on the back, B. There is a letter B on it, so someone named with B, Bonnie, baby, is important. So changes are coming. Don't lose hope. And there are two cups also. So expect visitors, friends. Expect some visitors, or tea dates, coffee dates coming your way, friendships coming your way. Someone wants to talk to you. Look at that. The beautiful crush. Look at that. Someone is crushing on you. Something will happen which will make you smile this week. Oh, this is beautiful. I want you to smile, friends, right now for me, because I love your smile. I am absolutely in love with your smile. So smile for me. And yeah. So someone is coming for tea or coffee, guests at home, or relatives, or your neighbors. Maybe you should ask a friend, hey, do you want to go out on a coffee with me? It will help you. Also, money situation will improve. If you are worried about money, it will improve. If you are worried about health, it will improve. This is about home. Some of you want to buy a home or have a family, move in, want a bigger home, a family. That will happen, friends. Don't lose hope. Let's see, what is this. You are the sunshine, my day. You are my only sunshine, and you make me happy when my skies are gray. Wow, you are my only sunshine. You make me happy when my skies are gray. So, someone is majorly missing you and they are not telling you, friends. You are also missing someone, but you are not telling. But I do see there is a chance you will meet and sit and talk with that person, or you might have to reach out to them, or they might have to reach out to you. Roads where roads where we are going, we don't need roads. So yeah, I think Just start where you are, friends. There is no need to worry. You have everything prepared for you. Start with what you have. Four of Cups, the energy of waiting, yeah, patience. Two of Wands, taking charge, taking actions. Snakes, transformation. Yes, a relationship is transforming. Maybe a love connection or a friendship. Four of Wands, twin flames, marriage. Marriage is important for you. This is a twin flame connection. November, someone born in November, or something will happen in November. Sage, a spiritual mentor, spiritual person will help you see things spiritually. Father, take charge, friends. Be a leader. Don't be stuck. Six of Wands, forward progress, success coming your way. If you take action, you will be successful. Kingfisher, again, kingfishers are about money, prosperity, and grabbing, grabbing the moment and making the most of it, not worrying. Kingfishers sit on the where I live, there are a lot of kingfishers. There used to be a lot of kingfishers now because of the construction and everything. But even now, there are quite a few of them. And I have noticed they wait when before catching a prey. They keep their eyes very sharp and they are waiting. And at the right moment, they dip and catch the fish and run and fly away. So you have to, don't worry, just wait for the time when it's arrived, move with it. Venus, yeah, love, focus on the love and happiness, don't focus on negativity. Cycles, yeah, something is not over yet. If you are losing hope, like your work is over, your money or career is over, no, this is just a phase, better things are coming. Black, you're very safe, you're protected. Healer, yeah, you are a healer. And maybe you are someone very spiritual, you are someone very sensitive, you are an empath, maybe you are a HSP, highly sensitive person, you don't know about that. Maybe you are connecting as a healer, or your future is in spirituality or something. So relax, all is well. See things, you see things from a higher perspective, and a very happy week for you. Make sure to subscribe Magic Wednesday, like and share. This is Mystic C saying bye.